Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free CPA marketing landing page, right? So basically you can see that I am in the dashboard of google.com, and here you have to just go. I will show you a free website where you can just make your landing page, right? And you can just do your CPA grip. You can just copy link from CPA grip, or you can do the Amazon affiliate marketing, or the any kind of affiliate marketing you can do over this landing page, right? And basically you can just use it as to sell products, basically to the affiliate marketing. So here we will use a website which is called Briza. Okay, so this is a website BRIZY. So you have to just go to the Google BRIZY and you have to just hit the enter. So basically this is it, brizy.io, and you have to click over here. So you can just start freely, but it also has a premium subscription. You can see the pricing and all that. So just let me show you. And basically this is the website, and we can start for completely free, and it has a pricing too. So just click on the pricing and you can see that you can use WordPress and all that. And you have to, if you are new and if you are using it for personal, you can use that this pack is $34, or the other freelancer one you can use this one, right? You can even use for the lifetime. You can see $209 for the lifetime, and there are some different categories, right? So basically right now we will just use it for the free. So let me just take you to the, we will just go back here, and basically here you can see that get start now. So you have to click on now, and here you have to scroll down, and here you have to download this, right? That is called Crazy WordPress free. And just let me show you. Basically you have to go to the top, and here you have to click on get start now, and this is free, right? And here you will have two options, that is a cloud, and basically so I will use this one, cloud free. So I will just click here, and it will redirect to my new page. And here you can see that you will get the option to create new project, and here these are the website which you will create the pop-ups and the stories and all that, right? So from here you can just create your landing page. So just click on here, create page, and you will basically you can see that website and landing page if you want to create a pop-up or a story from here. So we will create a landing page. So just click on here, and it will load for a very few seconds, so you have to wait for it, guys. And here you can see that a new dashboard will be open, so you have to click on the edit project. And we will be redirected to a new page, and here we can just start building. On the left side you can see this is the menu bar, and basically this is it, and here you will find so many options. So we will just close it for right now and click on the plus icon. So here are the templates which you can use for your landing page. And for example, if I just select this one, okay, and here it will get automatically here, right? So you can just change everything. For example, you can see that this is the plus icon, and here if you want to change the text, row, column, buttons, icons, space, line, everything, there are so many features you will find on the other premium subscription, right? So basically this is it. So here if you just click on here, if you want to remove something, for example, if I want to just change this word here, so if I just write here, right, and after that you can see the tagline or the description, it is written here. And basically I can just write here, you can just write here for some example, let me select a whole word, and here buy now. Okay, so people can just click here, and after that they will be redirected to the website or the buying page, right, where they can just move forward with their payment regarding that. Okay, and here you can just add many things, for example a guide to help series and just many more. For example, if you're doing affiliate marketing of so many products, you can just add here. For example, just click on add a new block, and here you can just add a new block. Okay, and this is a global block. Well, this is not free right now, so we will use only this one. If you have completely some genre or some niche, you can just select here. For example, if I want to use it for just for here, you can see all the free one. Okay, and basically if you'll go with the other, you can see there is a bundle, and I think they are in the subscription or paid mode. Let me just select any of them. So here you can see that, for example, it's complete. So if I just click on import this layout, it will be load for very few seconds. So basically it downloads. You can see here in the icon, it is downloading it right now, and after that it will get build, right? So this is pretty easy guys, you can just made here, and in this way you can just add your products here, and below you can just buy right now, and after that somebody click over here, they will redirect it to the payment option, right? And this is it. You can add the footer option here too. You can just do many more things, and you can just create here, you can just give your number and all that, and your testimonials and many of the thing you can add depending upon the creativity and your need. And here you can just select here, and if you want to see how it's look over the mobile phone, just click on the mobile and it's look pretty nice, right? So this is it guys, this is so simple to create it. And after just creating, let me just go back to the desktop. Okay, and let's go here, and basically you can create a menu bars and the blocks and everything. Okay, and here you have to click on the save draft. Okay, and it will save here, and basically right now we will just go back and you can just start doing it, right? So let me just go to the back here. If I just click on here, and it will redirect me to a new page where I can just see my that how it's look, right? How the website look. So right now it's not opening, maybe there is some issues here. So I hope you guys you found it so easy to do it, and after that you can just paste the link from the CPA grip or the Amazon or Flipkart and many more websites from where you can do the affiliate marketing or any kind of marketing. You can just do it, right? So this is pretty easy guys, because if you want to add the link, you can see here somewhere you will find option where you can just add the link, right? So this is easy. If you found this video really helpful and easy, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.